Hey you guys, so in this video I'm going to walk you through my first aid kit that I'm going to be taking on my PCT thru hike. This is kind of my base first aid kit that I'm hoping that I'm going to just take with me throughout the entire hike. I might add things as needed, but this is pretty much what I'm thinking will be needed. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell to be sure that you get all of the content coming at you. PCT vlogs are coming very, very soon. Also, please go and follow me on Instagram and Facebook because I'm hoping to be updating those very frequently while on trail. So, let's get right into the first aid kit.
So here it is. Here's all of the things that I'm going to be taking. I will go through them one by one as swiftly as possible. So this looks like deodorant, but it actually is not deodorant because that is useless on the trail. This is actually sunscreen, and I am so incredibly pale, as you can't, if you can't tell. So sunscreen is extremely important. And this little deodorant looking thing, I've never used this, but I think it's going to be really cool. It's 70. I'm going to be pretty much covered from head to toe, except for if I roll up my sleeves and on my face. So I don't need a whole lot of really intense sunscreen, but I think this is going to do the trick, so I'm really, really excited. This is just a Burt's Bees all-weather chapstick. It has SPF 15, and this is a whole bunch of Leuco tape just wrapped around it. Obviously, safety pin for blisters that I'm hoping I won't have. Whatever these are called, nail clippers for those toenails that I'm hoping will stay put. What is this called? Why can't I think of English words right now? This is called floss. Grace, get it together. Floss and a mini toothpaste. My toothbrush, I'm going to chuck this. I don't know why I added that in. Extra ounces. I'm just going to bring this and a little comb. I'm bringing this. This is a slight bit of a luxury item, but as pale as I am also extremely blonde, and I'm really cool with the non-showering thing, but blonde hair gets greasy real fast. So this is just gonna help keep my hair from becoming dreads. Hand sanitizer that I'm just gonna be able to hook onto my bag. These are, I don't even know what they're called. They're those like hot and cold patches things that I could either put on like an ankle or a shin. If there's a muscle that's going crazy, I could put this on it, or I can also use them for cramps. So I only brought a few because I don't know how effective they're going to be, but they might be awesome. I'm also bringing a whole bunch of baby wipes. This is a pack of 42, so this should last me maybe about a month. Pretty happy with that. And then last but not least, my drugs. So I have no idea how many to bring, so this is what I'm starting with. This might last me the whole hike, I don't know. But I've got some Tylenol, I've got some Aleve, I've got some ibuprofen. These are anti-diarrheal pills, and these are an iron supplement. I have heard from a couple of ladies that that's really a nice thing to have. So there you have it. That's pretty much my entire first aid kit that I'm going to be bringing. Let me know if I'm forgetting anything, because that really could be true. But I hope that this has been helpful for you, and I'll let you know how it all works out. See you next video.